Today, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuchi Azeri Oziri. Today we go talk about one important topic wey dem dey call rape. I dey talk am like because of Uncle Mark, and the word wey we go dey use for this thing na first MEKWATA. Why sexy go be MEKWATA? Now wetin law talk about this thing? You know say anything wey concern MEKWATA, anything wey concern ibonge, e dey get special attention. Now wetin be first MEKWATA? You know say some people dey ask say whether woman go fit first MEKWATA man. The answer na yes. Before e bin no dey like that, but now woman go fit first MEKWATA man. Law talk say section 357 of the Criminal Code Act. I dey always use Criminal Code Act because so many states get their own criminal code law, and na almost na the same thing. Section 357 talk say any man, na that law wey talk say na only man go fit first MEKWATA woman. That law talk say any man wey sleep with woman without that woman no approve and the woman no gree, you force am, you sleep with am, you first MEKWATA that woman, say you don commit the offence of first MEKWATA. Na very painful, na very like na one of the personal, you know say some offence, no be all offence dey personal. This offence na personal offence, and now people dey always believe say na only woman dey suffer from this thing. No, even men too dey suffer from first MEKWATA. Now law talk say if you do this thing without the woman no gree, say you don commit offence. Na so law take talk am. Na so law take talk am. Now law come talk say, you know say some men dem too get over sabi sense, like dem dey feel say dem get sense, but law smart pass dem. Law come talk say this consent wey we dey talk about, this agree to do wey we dey talk about, say if you obtain this consent by force, say no be consent. Wetin be force? Some men dem, if you no gree sleep with dem, dem go threa ten you say if you no gree dem go beat you, dem go kpai you, dem go do this one. Some go use intimidation, some go use wayo. You know say dem dey use wayo dey get consent. Like man fit put drug, wetin go make you sleep, inside juice, inside Hollandia, you drink am, or inside any juice you drink am. Then when you don drink am, maybe you don high, or even though you no high, you don sleep, you go come arrange you well, come force MEKWATA you. Law say that thing no be consent. Wetin be consent? Ovunda meet Sanima, tell Sanima say Sanima, I want make me and you do wetin adult dey do, make me and you. And Sanima tell Ovunda say okay, Ovunda, I don gree, make we go do. Na him be consent. Nothing like say consent wey dem dey use wuruwuru wayo dey collect dey get. Law say that one no be consent. Law come still talk say, you know say some people now, dem go go like person wey be say maybe e get how your husband dey talk. Person go go mimic how your husband dey talk, come use that voice come just to sleep with you. Law say that one no be consent. Now another law wey we go take address this first MEKWATA na one law wey dem dey call Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act 2015. Other states, so many states get their own law, na still the same thing. This law talk say, na this law wey tell us say woman go fit first MEKWATA man. This law talk say any man or any woman wey penetrate woman, wey penetrate, no be woman, wey penetrate person kpekus, person mouth or person there where shit dey from dey come out. I no wan talk this make Uncle Mark no vex, that's why I dey use style dey talk am. You go penetrate person there where shit dey from come out without the person no tell you say do me these things. That law talk say na first MEKWATA. So under that law, woman go fit force MEKWATA man. And for law, for court to gree say yes, true, you force MEKWATA person, there must be penetration. There must be penetration for law to gree say yes, you force MEKWATA this person, there must be penetration. If penetration no happen, no be force MEKWATA. There must be penetration. Penetration go dey there, and that person wey you penetrate no tell you to penetrate am, na him be force MEKWATA. Wetin be penetration? Penetration be say your bola must enter the kpekus without the person consent, the person no gree. Or your bola, you put your bola for person mouth, the person no gree. Or you wey be woman, you carry hand put for man there wey man dey from dey shit without you no tell am, he no gree, he no tell you to do am, na first MEKWATA. Wetin be the punishment for first MEKWATA? Na very serious crime. Wetin be the punishment? If you force MEKWATA person, na life imprisonment. If you force MEKWATA person, na life imprisonment. If court jail you, na life imprisonment you dey go. Law come talk say, you know say some people feel say small pikin no go fit force MEKWATA person. If small pikin wey dey less than 14 years, you force MEKWATA person, na still crime. Na 14 years imprisonment for pikin wey dey less than 14 years. Na know say children now dey do things and things. Small pikin, you force MEKWATA person, na still crime, na still offence. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch, share. No dey watch and dey keep am to yourself. For this one na part 1 of this topic, force MEKWATA. For part 2, I go tell una how you wey dem force MEKWATA, I go tell you wetin you go do if person force MEKWATA you for our next video. Thank you.